有一張凳，天下無敵，可以行斬江湖。1、2、3。人哋叫我做畫凳天才，睇我幾精彩幾自在，用嘅方式超級現代，淨係用張凳都快過搭的士過海。實在係太過癮啦，鍾意周圍衝，用一張凳我唔搭地下鐵，由朝到晚唔理得佢幾多點鐘，都係畫得咁輕鬆。淨係一張凳加4個都速度係快如風，喺度周圍衝。我作為一個專業嘅偵探，撞到壞蛋就升佢一腳，逢到你咪打個招呼咯。阿媽你好，你坐啊。揾一張凳畫通街，天東南西北無國家。呢度係我嘅世界，貨比貨，呢張凳贏晒。Cause I'm Kung Fu Rider, Rider, Rider.
Yes, I got the Switch. Now I'm going to do an unboxing video because...
Content.
How do I open this? Ah, okay. I have not looked at this yet. And I can't look at it because I don't even know how to open it. Right, so that did not take long. It was just the wrong way. Why is this so complicated to open? Okay. Come on! Oh my gosh. Joy-Con 1, Joy-Con 2, screen, the screen is very thick. Oh yeah, because it needs to have the buttons. And then there's all this boring stuff. Boring. Yes, can't even open this with one hand. There's more stuff like this to put Joy-Cons on. You can play it a bit. You can play it like a controller. This might be the charger. I don't know. And then or is this the charger? Or is this the charger? This is probably the charger because it has that. And then, what are these? Oh, so these go on the Joy-Cons or something. And then, open! Why is it so difficult to open? Oh yeah, this is the charging thing bit. Just dropped, okay. So this is where you charge it. So you put the switch in there like that, and then the two Joy-Cons would be on the sides. Anyway, so there'll probably be some Switch content coming. Yes. Yes.